What's going on YouTube? Taking a brand new YouTube video for y'all. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be unboxing the Popl XL. If you guys do not know what Popl is a little tag that can be used to instantly share anything. They could be used under your case like this one. They could be used as a keychain, just stick to the back of your phone like this. And they can also be used as their new and improved band like this one. And I'm going to show you guys quickly just how this works. So once you get your Popl all set up, you go ahead and just tap it to the back of somebody's phone, and then automatically your information is shared onto their phone right there. So this is my profile that I decided to customize and share to other people, and that profile is what will show up when I pop my Popl to somebody else's phone like I just did right here. So let's go ahead and unbox the Popl XL that is in this package right here. So Popl XL is basically just a larger version of the smaller Popls like this one, and it can be used to grab people's attention a lot quicker. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Huge thank you to Popl for sending me this package also to make a YouTube video about. This video would not be possible without them. So here we have, looks like they sent me some other things. So this is their Popl band, as you guys can see, is like this one, but in the white version. They now have a white version and a black version, so you guys can see that they're like a nice silicone feel, and they're small and slim, so they basically take up little to no space, and they're sleek and just nice in style. So make sure to pick one of these up. Use my code Mendoza or the link down in the description below to get 20% off your order. Let's go ahead and take out the Popl XL. And here we have two of the Popl XLs. The cool thing about Popl is that most of their products are very slim and take up little to no space, which makes them super great, because not only are they really effective in sharing information, but they take up basically no space. You don't have to worry about them getting in the way or anything like that. Getting a Popl is a very good idea, especially if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner that would like to share information quickly or just save time overall. So here's how you activate your Popl. You create an account, you activate your Popl XL, and you pop to any phone to just share information in literally seconds. So let's go ahead and take out the Popl here. So your business is powered by Popl. This is the Popl XL. This is the regular Popl right here, and then this is the Popl XL. It's a 4x4 circle. It's super slim. Look at that, super slim, takes up literally little to no space. You put it on a table or something, it's like it's not even there. It has nice big letters here saying tap phone here, so you can leave it on the table, and if people will know, okay, what do? You tap your phone there, and then instantly your information will be shared to them. It will leave a great impression on your customers too, which will give them even more reason to come back and do business with you. So let's go ahead and get this Popl set up. So to set up your Popl, you want to first download the Popl app on the App Store or on the Play Store if you're on Android. So let's go ahead and set it up. So you click the three lines up here on the top left. We go ahead and set up a Popl. We go down here to the Popl XL. As you can see, you can choose from all the Popls here depending on which one you have. We have the Popl XL in this case. Popl would like to access camera. It tells you how to do it. You scan the QR code to activate it, and then boom, your Popl XL is successfully activated. So now the Popl XL is connected. Once your Popl is connected, you can go ahead and customize your profile here. You can add a variety of links from all of these things, such as social media, your contacts, music, payments, and even more. The ones that say Pro on it do need a Pro subscription though, but it's 100% up to you whether you want to get the Pro subscription or not. So here's my personal account, and in just a swipe I can switch over to my business account. That saves a lot of time because I don't have to be making new profiles every time. These do have a 3M backing tape here, so on the back it's sticky once you take this thing off. So you can stick it to like a table or a wall if you own a business. Say you own a barbershop and you're too busy with customers, and if they say how much do they owe you, you can just tell them to go ahead and tap their phone to the back of the Popl. Click on the notification that pops up on their phone, and then instantly your profile shows up, and they could go ahead and pay you via Venmo, PayPal, or any of the other links that you add. Here I have my detail, my landscape, my YouTube, and to buy a Popl. So if I click on buy a Popl, it will take me directly to that link that I had customized onto my profile to share with the person that I'm popping with. And it works for a variety of things too, and it literally opens up instantly. So I can just go ahead and open up my YouTube, and just like that, it opens up super quickly. Like I said, it's very efficient, and it saves time, which also saves you money in the long run. And a $30 investment into your business is a great way to grow your business overall, because you're saving time and you're able to share much more information using a Popl than you are using a business card, because a business card, they have to read it, and that just takes more time than just literally just tapping it to the back of their phone, and then bam, it just opens up. And not only does it work with iPhone, but it also works with Android. Look at that. Tap it to the back of their phone, and then boom, it just literally just opens up. It's that easy. Seriously, it's just that easy. Not only that, but once you set up your Popl, that QR code on your Popl is actually specifically made just for you. Say somebody comes up and just scans the QR code, and it opens up the notification just as if you were to pop it to the back of their phone. Look at that. It literally just opens up just that easy, just as if you were to pop it to the back of their phone. And it also opens up. $30 investment is much cheaper than $100 investment of say like 1,000 business cards, and you get much more for your money overall if you buy a Popl. And not only does it work with the iPhone camera, but it also works with the Android. Look at that. Click it, It recognizes the QR code and it takes you straight to your profile. And as if it couldn't get any better, Popl also integrated the feature of being able to share only one of your social media platforms. So say you want to share just your YouTube, you go ahead and put that there, you turn on direct on, and now just your YouTube will be able to be shared. So if you tap it to the back of that, open it, and then look, straight to YouTube it takes you, right? Because you turn on direct on, so that's the only thing that will be shared. Popl is a very, very versatile and just the future of business cards. There's no more need for paper business cards. They're literally useless at this point when you have Popl, because they're so efficient and they're awesome at what they do. And another reason to get Popl is that they're waterproof and they literally never run out of battery, because they're not even ran on a battery. They're ran on NFC tag that's inside of the Popl that sends signals to the phone that is popping with and opens up your profile. And your profile can literally be changed in seconds. If I open up my page here, I turn off my profile. If somebody tries to pop my tag now, they open it up and it can't be opened up because I just turned it off. In literally just a matter of seconds, you can edit your Popl, which makes it super efficient and a smart investment. With the Popl XL, you also get the capability of putting it almost anywhere and getting people's attention a lot quicker than the little Popl here. Even though this one is very easy to place on places such as the back of your phone, the new Popl XL is a hard to miss tag that literally tells you exactly what to do. The new QR code activation is also a new part of the Popl XL, which makes it super cool because it's super easy to activate and share information. It makes it super easy to just scan the QR code and go straight to your profile. Like I said, if you would like to pick one of these up, first link down in the description below, use code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get 20% off of your Popl and save yourself some money and share information a lot quicker. I am an entrepreneur myself. I have a landscaping and a detailing business, and Popl definitely has helped me share my information about my business and help me gain more customers overall. Popl definitely just gonna grow from here, and soon everybody's gonna use a Popl instead of a business card, because there's literally no reason to use a business card when you have this lightweight, super thin and hard to miss Popl. They can be placed literally anywhere with the nice sticky backing that can stick to almost anything. So yeah, the Popl XL overall is an amazing product and investment for entrepreneurs, business owners, or just people that just want to share information, and also a very cheaper alternative to business cards, and also very durable. I've had this Popl in the back of my phone for almost a year now, and it still works just good as new. It literally does exactly what it did from the first day, which is awesome. So yeah, this is going to conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up a Popl XL for yourself, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza or click on the first link down in the description below to get yourself 20% off of your order and get yourself a Popl, which will definitely help you save time, which will help you save money in the long run and make your life just super easy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.